Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make dates and walnut cake without oven. It's very easy to make and it's very soft and crunchy at the same time. The dates add the softness and walnuts add the crunchiness. Every bite is full of nutrition and natural sugars and fibers. So let's get started. For making this soft and easy cake, I have taken 100 grams of salted butter at room temperature. You can melt it also, or here it's quite hot, so room temperature is also fine. Then half a cup of chopped walnuts. Then I have taken more than half a cup of dates that I have chopped. Here I'll show you like this. And I have deseeded them. Then I have taken 1 cup of maida or refined flour, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. It's optional, you can skip it if you don't have, but it gives a good flavor. 1/4 cup of sugar. If you have brown sugar, you can use that. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 eggs at room temperature, and hot milk around 100 milliliter. First thing is I'll soak dates in hot milk. Milk should be warmer than lukewarm, so it has to be slightly hot. And then we will keep our cooker ready because we are going to make this cake in cooker. If you have to make it in oven, you can keep it on highest temperature for 10 minutes for preheating. Same way I'll do with the cooker. So here I have spread some salt, and then I'll be putting a wire stand on it. And we have to take out the whistle of the cooker. Here you can see I'm taking out the whistle. That's very important, and we'll keep it for preheating on high temperature. And then cake tin also will keep ready. So if you have parchment paper, you can use that, or else you will apply some oil, grease it with oil, and then put some maida, a tablespoon of maida, and spread it everywhere like this. This way cake won't get stuck to it. Here you can see our cake tin is also ready and cooker is ready. Now in a mixing bowl, I have taken butter, and then I am adding sugar. I'll mix these two properly. I'm using electric mixer or electric whisker. You can use hand mixer also. So here you can see I'll mix these two properly. Then I'll be adding other ingredients. I'm adding 2 eggs only. I have shown you 3, but I added only 2 because we are going to add milk also, that in which we have soaked dates. So here I'm adding 2 eggs. Then I'm adding coffee powder. Then other ingredients, other dry ingredients, I'll sift them, then add. You can add a teaspoon of vanilla essence also for extra flavor. So here I'll sift them. So we will use maida, 1 cup baking powder. It's very important to sift them, or else lumps will be formed. Now again I'll mix it. We'll mix it properly till all the ingredients are mixed. Then I'll be adding dates and walnuts. I'm yet to add dates and walnuts. So I'll be adding dates. Right now the milk we had added earlier, it was hot milk. Now it has come to room temperature. I had soaked them for around 20 minutes. So here you can see I am adding dates and again mixing it. Dates should not lose texture. I'll just mix it for a while, and then I'm adding walnuts also. I have added the milk in which I had soaked dates also, so around 100 milliliter of milk also we have added. And now again I'll just mix them properly. So here this is our batter ready. But make sure before making the batter you have kept oven for preheating, or if you are using cooker, you have to keep it for preheating. So here you can see I'll transfer all the batter in the cake tin, and we will tap it a few times. If there are any air bubbles, they will escape. For oven, you will keep it on 180 degree, and if you are using cooker or a pot, for first 20 minutes we have to keep it on high flame. I'm adding some walnuts for garnishing. You can add chopped walnuts also. You can garnish it the way you want, or you can add dates also. So here, ready to go in the oven or cooker or any pot that you are making it in. So here I'm using a cooker. And again, I would like to mention, we don't have to keep whistle. We have to take out the whistle of the cooker lid. If you are making in a pot or a cooker, for first 20 minutes you have to keep it on high flame. Then for around 30 minutes you have to keep it on low flame. Then after 30 minutes we will check. And in oven, after 35 minutes we will check on 180 degree. So here after around 50 minutes I'm checking, and I'll use a knife So here you have to put knife inside it. If it comes clean, that means cake is ready, but make sure you check it on different points, sides, middle, or else sometimes the cake is not baked in the middle. Here you can see I'm checking at different spots to check cakes baked properly. So at this stage I'll take it off from the cooker and I will let it cool down for some time. So same way you have to do for cake. If you are baking it in oven, you have to check with a knife or fork, or you can use a toothpick. If it comes clean, that means cake is ready. After it has cool, I will loosen it with a knife. Then I'll place it on a plate and I will show you how soft and moist it's inside. Here you can see the softness of the cake, and then the crunch of walnuts adds extra taste. It turns really good, and as you saw that there are very few ingredients used for this. Dates we have easily available nowadays, and walnuts are also available at home, so you can make this cake easily for Eid. Kids also love this cake. It has already become a hit in our house. It's almost finished. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.